Thank you po.
Hello po naman. Ayun lang. Ay, parang sickness. Yes po, yes po. Thank you. Ma'am, yan yun. Opo, bukas po ng alas 8 pero nagaling muna ako ng taping dito lang sa Los Baños. Diretso akong MOA.
Alden, are you excited to work with Kat ngayon sa Hello Vlog again?
Yes, of course naman.
Thank you po. Congrats, Alden!
The Bullhouse and the Pod Network. Contact us. And Papa Jack.
The VP Choice Award goes to Carjack Arrest of Gandakana and Michael Jackson. Congratulations!
Thank you very much. Thank you very much for winning the podcast award. It's a new venture. We never really thought of the venture out of radio. So maraming salamat. Thank you very much. Lalo na po yung Carjack fans. Talagang yung powers niya. Everything. Alam nyo, thank you very much po.
Thank you.
Are you excited to work with Catherine?
Hello po naman. Ayun lang. Ay, parang sickness. Yes po. Picture. Thank you. Ma'am, yan yun. Opo, bukas po ng alas 8 pero nagaling muna ako ng taping dito lang sa Los Baños. Diretso akong MOA.
Sasakay na ako sa sasakyan.
Net 25, A2Z, GTV, and PTV.
And the VP Choice Award goes to GMA Network. We'd like to call on Alden Richards to receive the award on behalf of GMA Network. Congratulations.
GMA, I'd like to accept this award. And of course to our bosses po, in GMA, this is for you. And maraming salamat po sa suporta ng mga kapuso natin. And sa mga manonood ng television, kahit po ang dami na nagiging available platforms for entertainment, ito pong mga taong sumuporta para sa award na to for GMA made it clear na buhay pa rin po ang ating free TV dito sa ating bansa. So muli po, maraming salamat and congratulations to my home network, GMA. Thank you.
Now the VP Choice Awards for Male Radio DJ of the Year goes to the people's most beloved male radio DJ who has demonstrated outstanding talent in radio broadcasting, making him one of the most beloved personalities in the radio.
And the nominees are Papa Bol from Barangay LS, DJ Conyo Bicolano from Love Train, Papa Jackson from 106.7 Energy FM, Papa Dudu from Barangay LS, DJ Jai Hope from Radio 630, DJ Nick from Easy Rock.
And the VP Choice Award goes to Papa Jackson, 106.7 Energy FM. Congratulations.
People's favorite actor who has delivered exceptional performances in leading role in a film while deeply understanding the demands of the characters they portray.
And the nominees are Alden Richards for 5 breakups and a romance, Cedric Juan for Gomborza, Ding Dong Dantes for Rewind, Enchong D for Here Comes the Groom, Elijah Canlas for About Us But Not About Us, and Piola Pascual for Malyari.
The VP Choice Award goes to
Alden Richards for 5 breakups and a romance. Congratulations.
I think this is my second award for VP Choice Awards, and yung first time ko yata hindi ako nakapunta, but for tonight, I really made it possible po to come here. To thank, of course, most especially my supporters po for the vote that I have gotten po from the poll. Sila po yung nagpuyat and nag-effort to vote for me, and this award is for them. I would like to dedicate this award also to yung partner ko po sa 5 breakups in a romance, si Julia Montes, and of course to our writer-director, Direk Irene Villamor. And maraming salamat po for this award. And mabuhay po ang Pelikulang Pilipino. Thanks so much.
The VP Choice Awards for TV Station of the Year Award goes to the people's favorite TV network that consistently offers high-quality news and entertainment shows that consistently ranks among viewers' favorites.
The nominees are GMA